Sunday Homes Reset, cleaning and homemaking and making some soup. Hi, my name is Sharon, and this is my channel, Sharon Schornagel, and we are doing a Sunday home reset. And everybody's home in my house, so the TVs are going and it's kind of noisy. So I am just doing this voiceover because we don't want to get all the background noise. Anyhow, I'm in my bedroom, as you can see, and I'm just hanging up some clothes that are still clean, and then we'll get busy making the bed. Well, I want to welcome everybody to my channel, and I'm so happy you're here and that you clicked on my channel, and I hope you stay till the end. And I'll be making some chicken noodle soup, just using chicken broth. Anyhow, I'm going to get this bed made, and my bedroom will be all tidied up. Well, thought I would open my blinds, and I've already straightened out my dresser. And now I'm just putting on my earrings because I am going out later. And I just wanted you to notice that I put a different blanket on the bottom of my bed. I decided I would put the pink blanket, and that would be good for Valentine's Day. So this is my bedroom. And now I'm in my living room. There's not much to do in the living room, but I just like to tidy it up and straighten up the cushions and stuff like that, and just take the garbage out and make it look a little tidier for the day. And you've seen me pick up my living room a dozen times, so I'm going to speed it up. Well, I got it all out in one haul. Anyhow, that's all there is to do in the living room because I did the floors and dusted not too long ago. So just pick up and tidy. Well, as you can see, I am in my bathroom now. And I'm just going to give everything a quick little wipe down, spray my mirror, and get any of the towel smear marks off and stuff. It's a little high to spit toothpaste on, but anyhow, just I like to shine it up and make it look nice. And we'll do the rest of the bathroom, and I think I'll just do it in a little bit of fast motion. Okay, I put a new box of Kleenex in my Kleenex box. I really do like my little Kleenex box that I thrifted. And now I'm just wiping down the counters with my wipes that I have that are disinfectant, and wiping out the sink and getting everything nice and clean. That is a chip in my sink, which is too bad. I don't know. I'll have to try and see if I can find something that I can maybe paint that with and cover it up. So now I'm wiping down the toilet, and like I say, it's not too bad. I know I clean it quite often, and here I'm spraying the liquid in, but hey, the lid fell off. What do you know? So anyhow, we're going to clean the inside of that toilet at bullet speed, and then it's done. Nothing better than that, and get that stuff back on the back of the toilet. Okay, the bathroom's had a little clean, and it's all ready for another week. Okay, now we have moved into the kitchen and it is after supper, so I am going to do the dishes and get this kitchen all nice and clean so that we can start our week off with a beautiful clean kitchen. And at this time, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this content, please give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment so that I can say hello or tell me, do you do your dishes every night after supper? I know I don't. Sometimes I just leave them till morning. But this night I just decided it's time to get these dishes done. So I am going to speed this up too and get these dishes washed and put away. Well, my sink is empty, but I got all the pots and pans left to do, and I will be putting them in my sink. Oh, here they come. We've got a roaster, and we've got a pot that cooked the asparagus. And we had roast beef. It was a lovely dinner that my husband cooked. Now I'm putting away silverware that it wasn't from this night. It was from the nights before. And they didn't really get put away, so now they're drying and putting them away. And these dishes are the dishes I just washed, and they're dry, and I'm putting them in the cupboard. And now we're getting the silverware done. That's from tonight's supper, and we'll get the rest of this kitchen spick and span. Well, the metal pan that I'm hanging on to right there, we're going to potluck tomorrow afternoon, and we are bringing baked spaghetti, and it will be good. And of course, we'll have lots of fun, and this is something to do with our faith. And standing right there is my puppy dog. Yep, he's looking for something to eat, I'm sure. He's always hoping that when we're in the kitchen that he's going to get something to eat. Well, oh, I guess oh no, he's not giving up. Anyhow, I'm just setting my camera up because I'm going to get my room and do some sweeping. Well, the noise you can hear in the background or the talking is TV. My husband's watching TV while I'm cleaning up the kitchen and doing my video. And I think Rusty's under the table sniffing for goodies to see what he can find. Anyhow, hope you don't mind the TV playing in the background, and we'll get this kitchen done. Well, I hope I'm giving you some motivation to get your house all tidied up. I know I love to watch videos with people tidying up their houses because then it gives me the motivation to get going on mine because it looks so nice when it's all finished. And I'm enjoying my Valentine decor that I have up. I'm thinking about spring, but oh boy, I'm not ready for it yet because we still have tons of snow on the ground. But I will be thinking about it. So I'm just getting the last of the dishes dried and put away. And we'll get the counters all nice and clean. So I'm going to play a little music here and you can watch me finish off my kitchen. Okay, we've got the kitchen all cleaned up now, and I'm going to show you. There's the nice clean kitchen with the pretty Valentine's Day decor. And there it is, all nice and clean. Okay, I'm craving some chicken noodle soup. I don't really have any chicken to add to it, but that's okay. I've got carrots and onions just kind of sauteing in my little pan right now. And I put water and a bay leaf in my measuring cup. And I'm using better than bouillon. And this is like like a butter texture. Oh yes, and I put some butter in my little pan. I don't want mushrooms. Okay, I'm going to turn that down a bit because it's getting hot. Anyhow, I'm going to pour this all in here. And I'm going to bring it to a boil. Oops, I spilled it all over the stove. That's not smart. Let's get the dishcloth and wipe it up. Okay. And then I'm going to add some egg noodles to it. It needs salt or pepper. I love pepper, so I'll probably put pepper in it. Okay, let's quit stirring it and let it come to a boil. And I'm going to go to my cupboard and get out my egg noodles. And a nice package of egg noodles. And probably put a couple of handfuls of that. I don't really measure anything except the water for the bouillon. 4 cups of water to 4 teaspoons of bouillon. Mix. Just going to let that come to a boil. Then cook, and then I'll put my noodles in. That's easy, homemade chicken soup. And if you had some leftover chicken, you could throw it in there. But I don't, because I gave it to my puppy dogs. Because they're kind of spoiled. Aren't you, Rusty? Are you kind of spoiled? Yes, you are spoiled. Good boy, buddy. Are you being a good boy? Are you being a good boy too? Yes, you're a good boy. Yes, you're spoiled. You need a haircut. You need to go to the groomers and get cleaned up again. Come here, Rusty. Rusty always has kisses. Don't you, Rusty? Yeah, you all need to go to the groomers. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Waiting for the soup. Guess I'll show you outside because it's nice and sunny. It's beautiful and sunny out, but we've got snow. So it makes it nice and bright out here anyhow. That's our weather for February. What date is it? Here's my February calendar. Thought maybe you'd like to see that. And it says, that's in Ontario, this picture. And it's a big heart, and there's all kinds of locks on the heart. I thought that was kind of cool. My calendar this year is all about things in Canada. And it wouldn't fit in my frame, so I just hung it on the wall. Okay, let's go back and see what the soup's doing. It's gonna start to boil. Doesn't look like 4 cups of broth, but I guess it is. Oh, there we go. Let it get to a nice boiling. I'm going to let it boil for a little while to cook the carrots. A little bit. See if I put my spoon across there, if that'll help it from boiling over. Let's see, does that actually work? We'll test it. Looks like it's working. Smells good, but I'm going to add pepper because I like pepper. I like pepper and a touch of salt. It is salty, but it's not too bad. I'm going to put that back over it. I'm going to open my noodles. Let's open the noodles. Here's my noodles. And we'll put, let's see, there's a handful. And I'm going to put another handful in, and then I'll stir it and see what I think. It's probably enough noodles for this size of pot. Oh yeah, that's lots of noodles. So we're going to let this cook. And then I'm going to eat it. Easy chicken noodle soup. Soup is ready for consumption. Looks delicious. It's just very simple. It's carrots and onions sauteed. And it's the chicken broth from the jar that I showed you. Salt and pepper. And the egg noodles. It's one of my favorite soups. Okay, I'm going to let you go now, and I'm going to enjoy my soup. Bye.